Hi, Kipsters. Hi, families. Join me in today's Number Corner. Today, we're going to see what day it is, how many days we've been in school, figure out if it's odd or even, do coins swish count, and write out numbers and expand it form. Get ready. Thumbs up. Elbows out. Get ready. I love math. Yes, I do. I love math. How about you? Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Months of the year, get ready. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Months of the year. My turn first. Today is Monday, April 13th, 2020. One more time. Today is Monday, April 13th, 2020. Your turn. Today is way to go. Today is Monday, April 13th, 2020. How many days have we been in school? Count with me. Get ready. 100. Stop. Switch. Count by tens. 110, 120, 130, 140. Stop. Switch. Count by ones. 141, 142, 143, 144. We've been in school a new day, so I need to add 10 more? No, not 10 more. 100 more? Not 100 more. Oh, silly Miss Ross. I need to add one more. I need to add one more. Great, let's recount to double check. Get ready. 100, stop, switch, count by tens. 110, 120, 130, 140. Stop, switch, count by ones. 141, 142, 143, 144, 145. Wow, we've been in school 145 days. I'm going to go ahead and write that number in our hundreds, tens, and ones chart. We've been in school 145 days. I can make that 5 look a little bit neater. In the number 145, how many tens do we have? In the number 145, how many tens do we have? That's right. There are 4 tens in the number 145 because there's a 4 in the tens place. What about how many hundreds? How many hundreds are in the number 145? So easy. There's 100 in the number 145 because there's a 1 in the hundreds place. One more question. How many ones are in the number 145? Show me with your hands in 3, 2, 1. Show. That's right. You should have 5 fingers up because there's a 5 in the ones place. So we've been in school 145 days. I want to know, is it odd or even? Odd or even? Is the number 145 odd or even, and how do you know? Take 10 silent seconds to figure it out. But you got to give me a silent thumbs up. Is the number 145 odd or even, and how do you know? Ms. Ross already got it. 5 more seconds. 3, 2, 1. That's right. The number 145 is odd because there's a 5 in the ones place, and we know that 5 is odd. One more time. The number 145 is odd because there's a 5 in the ones place, and we know that 5 is odd. If you got that right, say chip. Friends, it's time for coins. Are you ready? Because Miss Ross is so... Oops, my marker fell. I am so ready for coins. I'm going to bring them over just a little bit so all my friends can see them. Coins. Get ready. Pennies, nickels, dimes, and quarters. Pennies, nickels, dimes, and quarters. A penny's worth 1 cent, a nickel's worth 5 cents, a dime is worth 10 cents, a quarter, 25. pennies, nickels, dimes, and quarters. Pennies, nickels, dimes, and quarters. Friends, what is this called? Okay, it's called a penny. How much is it worth? Show me. That's right, it's just worth 1 cent. But how do you know it's a penny? We have all these coins up here. How do you know this one's a penny? Oh, because it's the only coin facing the wrong way. It's all up in the Kool-Aid, but don't know the flavor. What coin is this? A quarter. Okay. How much is a quarter worth? I forgot. 25 cents. Oh, silly Miss Ross. 25 cents. How do you know this is a quarter? Because he has a curl. Okay, so you know it's a quarter because he has a curl. How else do you know this is a quarter? Oh, because it says $quarter at the bottom. That's so smart. This is called a nickel. How much is it worth? That's right, it's worth 5 cents. How do you know this is a nickel? How do you know this was a nickel? Oh, because he has a long braid. Last one. This is called that's right, it's called a dime. How much is it worth? This little coin is worth 10 cents. But how do you know this coin is a dime? How do you know it's a dime, not a penny, a nickel, or a quarter? How do you know this coin is a dime? Oh, because he has a straight line. On the dime, I see a straight line. On the dime, I see a straight line. On the dime, I see a straight line. Great. Friends, it's time to switch count. It's time to count by ones. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Stop. Switch. Count up by tens. 22, 32, 42, 52, 62. Stop. Switch. Count up by twos. 62, 64, 66, 68, 70, 72, 74, 76, 78, 80. Stop. Switch. Count up by fives. 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 105, 110, 115, 120. Stop. Switch. Count back by tens. 120, 110, 100, 90, 80, 70, 60. Stop. Switch. Count back by ones. 60, 59, 58, 57, 56, 55, 54, 53, 52, 51, 50, 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41, 40. Stop. Switch. Count back by tens. 40, 30, 20, 10. Stop. Switch. Count back by ones. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Friends, I'm so excited to write numbers in expanded form with you. Who remembers what expanded form looks like? Take 5 silent seconds. Who remembers what expanded form looks like? Does it have all numbers or does it have numbers and words? That's right. When we write numbers in expanded form, we're going to write the number and words to tell you what the number is in expanded form. So let's try the first one together. We have the number what? What number is this? That's right. We have the number 100. So I want to write this number in expanded form. When I write numbers in expanded form, I want to think about what number is in the hundreds place, what number is in the tens place, and what number is in the ones place. Do we have a number in the hundreds place? That's right. This number has 100. It has, that's right, so I'm going to write 100. What about tens? How many tens are in the number 100? That's right, there are none. So we can write 0 tens. And how many ones are in the number 100? 0 and 0 ones. So this number has 100. I'm going to label this with an H. It has 0 tens because there's a 0 in the tens place. And it has 0 ones because there's a 0 in the ones place. Let's try the next one. What number is this? There's an 8 and a 5. What number is this? That's right, this number is 85. Does this number have any numbers in the hundreds place? No, there's no number here. Hundreds comes after tens, and there's no number here. So there's nothing in the hundreds place. I'm going to write an H and cross it out because there's nothing there. In the number 85, how many tens are there? In the number 85, how many tens are there? That's right, there's 8 tens, so I could put a little T underneath this 8 to help me remember. And in the number 85, how many ones are there? That's right, there are 5 ones in the number 85. Now I'm ready to write the number 85 in expanded form. Let's see. So there's no hundreds, so I don't need to write hundreds. But how many tens do we have in this number? That's right. You looked where we wrote a T because the T represents the tens place, and you see there's an 8 in the tens place, so there's 8 tens in this number. So I'm going to write 8 tens. And how many ones? Remember, we labeled it. How many ones are in the number 85? And 5 ones. I can see how the strategy of labeling hundreds, tens, and ones is helpful when writing numbers out in expanded form. Let's try this last one. Ooh, this is a really big number. We have the number 409. Let's go ahead and label first. Does this number have any hundreds? Let's see, yeah. What number is in the hundreds place? A 4. So I'm going to write an H underneath the 4 to remind me that this is the hundreds place. Let's go to the tens place next. Is there a number in the tens place? Just 0, but I'm still going to label that because I need to include it when I write it in expanded form. And what about the ones? Is there a number in the ones place? You betcha. There's a 9 in the ones place. So I label my number 409 with hundreds, tens, and ones. Now I need to write the number out in expanded form. Expanded form has the number and words. Again, how many hundreds did we see in the number 409? That's right, 400. So I'm going to write that. 400. What's next? The tens place, you got it. How many tens do we have? That's right, we don't have any. 0 tens. And what's last? That's right, the ones place. How many ones do we have? And 9 ones. Another strategy I do, after I write it in expanded form, I underline all of the numbers and make sure they match. 400, 400, that matches. Give myself a check. 0 tens, 0 tens, another check. And I need to check the ones. 9 ones, 9 ones. That tells me I wrote every single part of the number in expanded form. You all are doing such a great job at looking at a number, labeling the numbers that have the numbers in the hundreds place, the tens place, and the ones place, and then using that information to help you write the number out in expanded form. I can't wait until we get the expanded form, and then we have to write the number. Bye, Kipsters. Bye, families.